Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Realme 16. First, check the call volume using the side buttons. Note that call volume can only be adjusted during an active call. Next, disable Bluetooth in settings to rule out any connected devices redirecting audio. Clean the earpiece at the top of the screen with a soft brush to remove debris. After cleaning, test the call using the phone app or another app like WhatsApp. Restart the phone by pressing power and volume up, then swipe up to restart. After restart, as a last resort, go to Settings, scroll to System and Update, then back up and reset. Click Reset Phone, then reset Network and Bluetooth settings. Before resetting, gather all your paired devices so you can reconnect them afterward. Resetting is the final fix. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.